This blue drink is the best weight loss drink I've ever had. I always struggle with losing weight, and I know it's tough. But while I was searching for something to boost my fat burning, I found a video that changed my life. That's when I discovered this blue drink, and in 6 months, I lost 66 pounds. This drink also boosted my energy, lowered my blood sugar, and stabilized my blood pressure. I try to eat healthy, but now I can slip up a bit during the week without worrying about gaining weight because I know my blue drink will help me get back on track. The recipe for the blue drink is super simple. Just mix some of this 100% natural powder with water and drink it before bed. You'll lose weight while you sleep and improve your health a lot. I've been doing this for 6 months and my life has completely changed. This week, I even fit into a pair of jeans I hadn't worn in 5 years. I was so happy that I decided to share my blue drink story online. I'll leave the link to the video I watched 6 months ago in the description below. I really hope you'll watch it and change your life like I did. I also hope the video is still available as the big guys in the industry have taken it down several times over these weeks. They don't want us to have natural weight loss options. They want us to spend money on expensive injections and drugs with lots of side effects. So, click on the link in the description and watch the video if it's still up. I'm sure you won't regret it.